Hey gang, Gauze Garage coming to you from Mecum Auctions. We're in the staging lanes back here, so you'll hear a lot of cars moving, but check this one out. Woo! Impala SS. Man, this car is nice, dude. Look at that. Woo! I'm usually not into white cars, but that combination looks really nice. Here, and check out this info on here. You talk about correct. All the numbers. Right down the line. And you know what comes to mind? If she's real fine, my 409. What a legendary engine. Junior Johnson at NASCAR. Driving that engine, man. I mean, wow, look at everything. One of the most beautiful rear ends of the mid 60s out of Chevrolet on that beautiful on this SS. You know, it must have been nice coming out of Texas. Nice solid sheet metal. Woo. Yeah. If you're a Impala SS fan, you gotta be loving this one. And take a look at the workmanship all the way down to the last nut and bolt. It's beautiful. Correct tar top battery. Oh yeah. And there you have it, gang. In the staging lanes at Mecum, this one's about to go through the block. And there you have it, Gauze Garage. Thank you.